So today I have a museum bonding with two of my friends, and now I'm cutting my own jeans because I'm so tired of getting it to the tailor to get it adjusted, because I mean, yeah, it does look nice, but I have to use this today, so I'm cutting it. And I'm thinking, and it's today's years old when I discovered that you can cut your own jeans, and I don't care anymore. Anyway, hi guys! So, hindi na ako nag-intro kanina ng kung ano-ano. So, we are at the Korean Cultural Center. This is the other stop. So, I'm with my friends. You know, my belly. This is Charles from church. They are my friends, and now we will explore this building. So this is the registration area. So I got a pamphlet. In this area, you will just write your name and number, and then you can enter. So these are the first things that we saw. Ah, so pretty. These are the royalties' clothes. Yung ginagamit, they use this one pala for their wedding. Like, you see that. Oh, they hide the bride's face. Okay. Plancha. Ito plancha. Tas ito yung iron board nila. Siguro parang pag binaligtad mo, doon ka sa kabila magpa-plancha. Ayun o. Plancha, iniinit. I'm actually explaining something there, like about the Korean wedding dress, but my voice is really soft because it's silent here. We are the only people here. I really hate to break silences. K-dramas, you see those princesses, the lords, and the ladies have their own like this, because they write in this. I think on top. It's pretty. Look at that. Even the utensils, they have men, women. So in the first floor, there is this digital photo that you can do where you can wear hanbok. So it's on the first floor, and it's very easy to do. It has instructions. So look at that. So we are in the next floor. I think it's about alphabets or something. So this is the library level where you can read K-drama photos, and then a nice little area for you to take photos or read. This one. I think we have checked out everything, and we're now leaving because our friend will treat us. So we will go somewhere, I don't know, maybe milk tea or what. But the place is pretty. You guys should try it. So I didn't take videos of everything because I want you to visit it for yourselves. The entrance is free, and you can really take a look at things because the building is not that big. There are cooking class, dancing class. If you want to join, and book reading class, you can check the Korean Cultural Center website. Hello! So, sagot ni Master ko. Mayaman yung friend natin. Yeah, I agree. So after ordering, we just talked about the moments that we had a while ago. All of us, we really enjoyed the Korean Cultural Center Museum. So after eating, we decided to go to Landers FTI because Belly and Charles said that they haven't been inside, so I have a card. So I said we can go there and have a drink because there is a cafe. Hi guys! So andito na kami. Kamusta naman, friends? Kamusta? How do you find Landers store? Charles, how do you find Landers store?
Malaki siya. Saka maraming finance.
Kung ano-ano. Action.
Kasi first time ko makapasok ng Landers.
Paano kasi may membership yung nanay niya? Hindi siya sumumo. Daming gusto ko yung kumuha. Kumuha no kahit hindi mo kailangan?
Kasi wala ako pa.
Oo, mayamang ka kaya. Ayan, mid-section. Hi guys! So, wala kaming table. So, dito kami nagme-meeting. Dito kami nagme-meeting. Pagod na kami, by the way. Hi guys! So, we decided to go home. Because, yeah, we saw a table as we were leaving, but she needs to go home. The people are looking for her. Charis. So we really went home after that because Bella needs to go home. So it was a fun day. We had so much fun. Really. Hi everyone. You must congratulate me because I now have a microphone. So I am testing this out. And I hope that the noise will be reduced because it's really noisy out here. Nobody can talk softly around this area. I don't know why. Anyway, so you watched the cultural center visit a while ago. It's really nice because the establishment is free and then it has the Korean culture that you wanted to see. And it's so nice because while we were riding the elevator, we run into this girl and she's running for her life because she is late for a book club activity. So there is a book club and then I think there is a cooking class and dance class that is all being held by the Korean Cultural Center. Now I don't think it has any payment, but I'm just spreading this knowledge that it has free classes. You can go to their website and then you can visit because when we came there it's free. There's no entrance fee. You just have to register and you can look around, and as you can see my vlog, it has cool stuff. So I'm really happy finding these free activities because my priorities now are not really, spending money on a lot of leisure things because, you know, we have some adult stuff to do. So I hope you can visit too so you can see in person the things that I have seen. This is a short portion of the vlog. This is about the PWD community in the office. So I'll be attending this discussion as a facilitator. So this is a very short one. I just wanted to include it because it's about PWD, which is my community. Hi guys, so the event is done. Guys, I have no footage of the actual program or event because I was the one who's hosting it. So how can I film? Plus, I'm not really comfortable filming the work events or anything related to work. So I'm just filming this, and because after the event, I'll be strolling around the mall. It's still a nice day. It was a successful event. I think the goal is to spread awareness about the PWD community, and we did exactly just that. So let's take a stroll. So we have the beautiful lights in this sky park. We will go inside the mall. I'll go to Watson's because I wanted to buy a lipstick. I think I'm running out, even though I have. I don't know, I just wanted to stroll. I don't really want to spend money, but I wanted to stroll around, so let's go. Hi guys, so I'm home. I didn't stroll. I have nothing to buy. I don't have budget. So I just commuted and went home. So that's my day. Hi guys, so happy Saturday. So today I'll be attending a hand-tied bouquet class that is being held by the city government of Taguig. I'm so happy because when I registered, I was selected to join, and I'll take you guys along with me. But before anything else, I need to eat my lunch. Thank you. So, I arrived at our destination, the Taguig Lake Shore. And this is the Taguig Arts Festival 2025. So, I muted this part of the video because there's a copyrighted music going on. So, when I entered the venue, there are stalls about many things. Stickers, bracelets, as you can see. And there are art pieces. I'm not sure if it's a photography contest or what, but this is the venue. Stalls, and now there are mural paintings here, so that looks nice. And then I think my classes are there. Okay, so I haven't gone here even in the holidays. I mean the holidays last year because I was kind of busy. So after waiting for an hour, we are called to enter the class. So these are the girls who also joined the hand-tied bouquet class for the Taguig Arts Festival.
I think I need a little time, babe, to heal from your mistakes before you ask me if I'm okay. Just like you used to, even without you. I know you're moving on to something new.
Hi guys, so we are at the class already. It hasn't started, but I'm so happy to be here. These are the flowers. I bumped into her. She's Jelly, by the way. She's my workmate before, the only kind workmate in that office.
Floral cakes as well for special instances. For the pure taste, and then we tie the flowers with the tape, or we can also tie the flowers with the flowers. Okay. So for the floral types, we have the focal flowers. Scissors when holding the roses, because roses have thorns. So yeah, I usually cut my hands with the scissors and the thorns. So please be careful. Please, we do not underestimate.
I've tried deleting all these memories since we were 17. Somehow your ghost is still haunting me.
Yes, we have Marianne.
Wish that we never met in January when you still loved her. Now every new year gets blurry when I kiss strangers.
As you can see, my bouquet is simple because I did not follow the teacher up until the very end because I felt sick. I have a headache. But still, I had so much fun and now I'm going home. Okay, so the hand-tied bouquet class, it was held by the city government of Taguig. I actually saw the ad in the Think Big Taguig Facebook page. So I just registered and I'm so glad they picked me. Now they have various activities for the arts festival, and that is beads. I think that's a jewelry making portion, and then watercolor, and then they also have the filmmaking part. But I got picked for the hand tied bouquet, so I'm so happy because this activity is really very feminine, and then there's a lot of flowers and a lot of girlies, pretty girls who wanted to do feminine stuff and artsy stuff. So, and the teacher is real nice. I like her. And then I'm also happy because we get to take home the bouquet. Now that day I am not feeling well. Like I have headache. I had headache all day, but I still went through with it because the opportunity I cannot miss. So I still did the bouquet, although I didn't follow everything because my head is pounding. But I got to take home my bouquet, and that's an Ecuadorian rose. And based on what I know, Ecuadorian roses are real expensive. So I'm happy that I got to place it in my vase and then enjoyed it for like a week before it withered. And I also put some petals in my perfume. And I am happy when I saw that the girls made really beautiful bouquet. Those bouquets looks like 1,500 worth bouquet, and I'm really happy because the city government of the gig are doing these programs to like celebrate stuff. It's not only about helping the poor, helping us, and then uh medical services. We also have like the arts festival whose we can nourish our creative minds. I'm so grateful that I got picked when I registered for those activities. And that's a very feminine activity that I enjoyed. So I suggest all of you people, like, you check your government pages because your city might have these free programs that you can really check out and you can really join. Sometimes because the awareness for these activities are not really being followed by the people, so they don't know about it. But here in the Gig City, I follow all of our pages, and then I think it's also because I belong to a community which is my PWD community. We have various activity. Taguig City has various activity for the various groups like PWD, seniors, um, women. Yeah, so thank you government, thank you Taguig City government for this wonderful activity, and uh, it's really nice. I really enjoyed it. Hi guys, so I made it home. The bouquet. Okay. I'm gonna cook dinner now. Sinigang na bangus. I so love this Ecuadorian roses. I know this is expensive. Like, I'm so happy the city government is like really having these programs. Oh my god, it brings so much joy. So I only had flowers on my vanity again. This is the first flower for this year. It's pretty. Yeah, my flowers are all imbalanced and I don't know why, but yeah, they're still pretty. Yeah, so that's it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed my adventures from the Korean Cultural Center up to the hand-tied bouquet class. So these activities are all free, technically free, because I have searched for free activities to do. You can do the same. So I'll see you on the next one. So bye.
I'll admit that I miss you.